Welcome to
Coding with Kids.
My name is Kalia.
And mine's Andrew.
Today we're in Microsoft MakeCode Arcade and we're going to do A ZOOKEEPER'S ADVENTURE. So we already completed the zookeeper hunt and now we're going to do by sea.
So there are two choices after the first one, the zookeeper hunt.
So you can do by land and by sea. Today we're going to do by sea. Welcome to the aquarium. We're so excited to have you designing this exhibit. So right now there's
the project's running and there's like a ocean exhibit and there are bubbles and sand.
Yeah, pink sand. To start, go to the sprites category and drag set my sprite to sprite of kind player into the on start container. So we're going to go to on sprite, set my sprite. Click the gray box and use the image editor to draw your favorite sea animal. Click next when you're ready for the next step. So you can draw, or you can go to the gallery. What kind of animal do you want? Humans are animals too. These clownfish or these, I don't know what. Goldfish are these. Okay, done. In sprite, find my sprite, set my sprite X to 0 and drag it into the end of the start container. So my sprite, set my sprite X to 0. Click X, then choose VX, velocity X from the drop down menu. So VX right here. Try changing the 0 in the text box to something else. Let's see. Let's try
Fishy first. How to move on the game screen. Yeah. Okay, now let's try. Oh, now the fish is swimming.
Yeah, but only here.
Yeah.
It looks but it's very lonely, it looks like. Let's teach our fishy friend to do a flip. Ooh. Open sprites, then snap, set my sprite, bounce on wall to the end of the program, and check out your new exhibit on the game screen. Okay, we're going to do a sprite, set my sprite, bounce on wall. So Fishy can bounce on the wall and keep doing it. Okay, let's see.
Because it first goes backwards, then it'll bounce on the edge of the screen, and then keep bouncing and swimming.
Boing, boing. Okay, now next. Let's make the aquarium more exciting with some randomness. Grab a new set my sprite X to 0 block and drag it to the end of the on start container. Another one. Okay, set my X. Replace X with Y using the drop down menu. This will change the position of the fish in the up-down direction. So let's see, Y, and let's set it to 0. Okay, let's see. It's on the top.
Now it's on the top and disappeared.
Bye-bye, fishy friend. I don't know where you went. From the math category, grab a pick random 0 to 10 value block and use it to replace 0 next to the Y. Try replacing 0 and 10 with larger numbers to see how they affect your new friend. The screen goes to 0 to 120. Okay, math, pick random. Let's see. Pick random from 10 to 110. So that's a lot. 110. Next, this is awesome, but it's looking a little lonely in that aquarium. Let's give your sea critter a few new friends. Okay, now let's see. Right now, it's like this. Okay. In loops, find the repeat 4 times loop container and snap it into the top of the on start container. First let's get the repeat. Grab the first block of code beneath the new loop and drag it and use it to drag the whole chunk of code up into the empty repeat container.
So we're going to make more fishies.
Okay. First exhibit. Okay. Ooh, first exhibit, I see. An alarm? What's going on? Hold on. We're getting a report from the penguin department. The penguins did what? You better finish. So, we need to finish by land first before we do that. So, let's see what our code now does.
So it's gonna make 8 fishies.
Fishy, fishy, fishy.
Oh! Now there are a lot of fishies. In the bottom, a bunch of fishies are packed together.
Packed. This one is so lonely. It wants to swim alone.
Let's run again.
And now let's press finish. And next time, after we do by land, we're going to see what the penguins did. Over here, it looks like the penguins escaped. Well, that was fun. And that's it for today. Thank you for watching. Remember to smash the like button and subscribe. Bye-bye.